These are the top 5 illegal gadgets sold online that will land you in hot water. At number 5, we've got the wannabe cop mobile accessory, police lights. Sure, they might add a touch of authority to your ride, but good luck explaining that impromptu light show to the actual authorities when they pull you over. Next up, at number 4, we have the pistol lighter. It may just be a regular old lighter, but its uncanny resemblance to a firearm practically screams, "Hey officer, arrest me." It's a guaranteed ticket to trouble. In at number 3, we've got the handheld laser pointer on steroids. With a whopping 50,000 milliwatts of power, this bad boy is more than just a tool for annoying your cat. It's classified as a burning laser. And trust me, you don't want to be the reason someone's walking around with a permanent eye patch. Now, onto number 2, the stun gun phone case. Sure, it sounds like a brilliant idea for self-defense, but this innocent-looking case packs a shocking surprise. With 7 times the zap of a standard stun gun, it's a one-way ticket to a whole lot of legal trouble in multiple states and countries. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, we have the power bank hand grenade. Yes, you heard that right. It's a portable charger disguised as an explosive device. Trying to stroll through airport security with this bad boy is like playing a high-stakes game of let's get detained. Good luck with that. So, if you're thinking about getting your hands on any of these gadgets, remember, fun comes at a price, and sometimes, that price is a night in the slammer. Stay tuned to trending updates to know about more gadgets that you can own, but will definitely land you in big trouble. Remember to hit that subscribe button.